Why does your scanner show the P0072 engine code? What does it mean? P0072 is a diagnostic trouble code for ambient air temperature sensor circuit A, low. This engine code indicates that this means the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected an abnormal, low-voltage signal from the ambient air temperature sensor, which measures the outside temperature. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ambient air temperature sensor, damaged wiring, corroded or broken connector, sensor covered by debris. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Audi, BMW, Volvo, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.